Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a dirty 30. Today's video is in collaboration with Presty Lee. She actually reached out to me on Instagram and wanted to do a collab, which I was more than happy to do. She's such a sweet, gentle spirit, so definitely check out her channel. I will leave all her channel information in the description box below. So you guys definitely go over there and show her some love. Let her know I sent you. She actually had this idea of the Dirty 30. So basically it is longer than the 10-minute tidy, but shorter than the power hour. Still the ultimate speed clean. So it is morning time. I just got out of the shower. Hair's a little bit still wet. Got my Salvation Army shirt on, which I absolutely love. Look how cute this is. Love it. $1. So I am going to be cleaning up the house before we head out and get things done today. So you're going to follow along. Let's get started. So first things first, I always start in my bedroom. In my other videos, you will hear me talk about that. I feel like if I start in my room, the whole house comes together. So that's where I'm going to get started. Now I'm going to start working on the dresser. That took just a second. Got so much stuff here on my dresser. I'm going to go ahead and get this taken care of because I cannot stand looking at this any longer. I want to show you guys. So on my Instagram, I asked you guys if you wanted me to start carrying leather earrings. I put a whole bunch of pictures on my Instagram, so definitely go over there and check it out. But I wanted to know if y'all wanted me to start carrying these leather earrings on my Etsy shop. I absolutely love them, and these are solid leather. I will have some other feather ones, and I also have just the long, they look like, you know, like just strips of leather. Joanna Gaines wears them. They're actually on her Magnolia site. But look how precious these are. And let me know if this is something that you guys would like for me to carry in my shop. I made these personally for myself, but they're so much fun. I love them. Look how cute. Just a little something. And then I also made these as well. So let me know if that's something that y'all want me to carry in my Etsy shop. As you may know, and if you don't know, some of you may know, some of you may not know, I do handmade signs, wreaths, seasonal decor, all types of stuff, and definitely some custom orders. But I think I want to add some of these really cool earrings too. I love them, and like I said, these are real leather. These are real thick leather. Now the feather ones, this one's a thinner leather. See? Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, I got a lot done. I hope it motivated you to get some things done in your house. You don't need a lot of time to get things tidy, especially before you leave. There's nothing better than coming home to a nice clean house. I was able to tackle my master bedroom. My daughter did the living room, and then I did the kitchen. There were some things that still need to get done, but I'm kind of reorganizing things. So some things were left on the counters, but that's okay because I'm going to tackle that today. The boys were in the playroom and in their bedrooms cleaning. Drew was mowing the front yard. After my daughter did the couch, she did the backyard. So it was definitely a family affair and we got things done. So it's nice to have other hands helping me out today. So I hope it motivated you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, please like this video. It helps me out a ton. And also make sure you consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my family. Please subscribe. I appreciate you guys and I love you guys, and don't forget to let me know in the comments below what kind of videos y'all like to see. Bye guys.